Okay, so in this video I'm going to do an example of an application type problem. We're going to have to add fractions. So let me read it to you, draw the picture, and just write down the information I read. It says a plumber uses a 9/16 inch diameter copper pipe wrapped with 5/8 inch insulation. What size hole must be bored in the stud to install the insulated pipe? To find the total diameter, okay, so here we're going to do. So basically the stud is the wood, right? So it's the wood frame, what we call stud. So stud is when we do the drywall and it's the vertical walls, the vertical bar, wood framing, 2x4s. So in this case here, we're going to have, we want to find out how big of a hole do we need in the stud to be able to push and slide the pipe through the stud with the insulation. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the diameter of this pipe. So I just marked, these are really not here. Usually it's cut on one end, but that's not the purpose of this. But anyway, I digress. So, we know that this insulation is 5/16 of an inch. And we know the pipe is 5/8. The insulation is 5/8 of an inch, and the pipe is 9/16 of an inch. So we know the diameter is 9/16, and the insulation is 5/8 of an inch thick. Okay? So to find the diameter straight across, we're going to have to add 5/8 for this side of the insulation, 5/8 for this side of the insulation, and then add the 9/16. Now, so we're going to have to add all three of these to get the diameter of the complete pipe plus insulation. So we're going to have to add these fractions. So let's do that. Okay, so we can easily do these two because it's common denominator. And so we can write this as 10/8 of an inch. And then we have the 9/16, right? Well, what's the least common multiple of 8 and 16? It's 16, right? Because 16 is a multiple of 16, and 16 is a multiple of 8 as well. So now I'm going to change this to 16 by doubling the top and the bottom. So that's going to be 20 over 16 plus 9 over 16. And so now I add across the top and keep the bottom. So I get 29/16, which is, again, it's in inches. So now I'm going to change this into a mixed number, which is going to give me 1 and what? It's going to give me 1 and 15/16. Or hold on. No, 13. 13/16. And that's it. So these are inches. And so the hole I need to make in the stud is going to be 1 3/16 of an inch. And that's it. Have a great day.